Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming my August Kinder Beauty Box unboxing. I've had this for a week or so, and I've just been really lazy about filming, so it didn't come late. But on the other hand, my Petite Four box still has not made an appearance. I've emailed them. I think there might be something wrong with like my subscription or something, so hopefully I'll get that worked out soon. But we're going to take a crack into this one. I have nothing from the Medusa's makeup bag on my face today to show you because I kind of felt like my skin was sort of freaking out and didn't look great. I'd rather show you guys all those fun products on a better base. But this is what we're working with today, so it's what we're doing. So let's go ahead and get into this. Once again, the card telling you to go online to get the product details, which I find infuriating. This card is plenty large enough to print the details on. It's so annoying. I can't stand this. I hate how they keep going back and forth with it. Just not a fan of this concept. So the first item in the box is from Eyeshadow, and it is the Calm Mood Mist. It comes in this really beautifully colored packaging. We're going to ignore that my fingernails sorely need repainting. But the packaging is really pretty. Let's see. Let's find the product online and read about it. So the description says, create a daily sanctuary of calm with this Calm Mood Mist from Eyeshadow, a harmonious blend of soothing lavender, witch hazel, bergamot, and more. It helps ease the senses. Some of the grammar, and I know I complain about this sometimes, and it's just because I'm literally a writing major, so I'm sort of snob about it, but like some of the grammar in these descriptions. I digress. It helps ease the senses, relax the mind, and lift your spirits. Mist the soothing scent to your body and mind's desire for use on the body or any space or location. One spray when applying to your body, and up to 3 if you're misting your space. So it looks like it can be a body spray or a room scent. So that's kind of cool. I'm glad with those ingredients it's not intended for the face. And this is certainly something I would give a try. Right now I have a Pacifica mist and a mist that came from Medusa's makeup. And I love throwing those on when I know I'm just going to be home doing nothing, or if I'm going to be working out and so I don't want to put like a nice fragrance on just to like wash it off in a couple hours. So I kind of like these sort of things, and this will definitely be going on to my little stand with all those other items. But you know, let's go ahead and give it a smell. It's very lavender forward, but I love lavender, so that's good with me. I like it. I like it, and the packaging is really adorable. This is a glass container, so that's really nice. The next product we have in here is the 100% Pure Collagen Boost Sheet Mask, and I really like the 100% Pure masks. They are moist but not wet, which I really appreciate because I've gotten masks that are sopping and it just makes them an unpleasant experience. I don't know if they actually perform any sort of noticeable changes to the skin, but they feel nice. They never have an itchy or burning sensation to them, so I really like the 100% Pure ones. The description, let's see. Indulge your skin with 100% Pure's Collagen Boost Mask. This bamboo sheet mask delivers a revitalizing trio of ginseng, retinol, and vitamin C for firmness and fewer wrinkles. If that's not enough, it also has aloe juice and hyaluronic acid for long-lasting hydration, and rosehip oil to improve skin's texture. So, definitely happy to get this because I know it's a product I like and will actually use and enjoy. Next, we have the Cacao Mask from Flower Mill. Love a mask, and I will definitely use it. So, this is the Cacao Mask. Cacao isn't just for chocolate anymore. Transform your skin routine with the Repairing Cacao Facial Mask. High in antioxidants, raw cacao paired with kaolin clay and calming lavender offers a decadent treatment for pore detox, repair, and renewal. So another item I will definitely use, and I'm excited to try. So the next item we have is from Dirty Lamb, and it's their Ultra Night Serum. This is one of the products I believe that you chose, and while normally I would not choose something like this where I know there's a fragrant ingredient for the face, but I really like the Dirty Lamb body oil, so I figured if I like the body oil a lot, I can use the face oil on my body. Normally, these days, I just give those types of products away that are meant for the face and don't bother to try and use them up on my body because I have so many body products. But given that I know I like this brand, I'm going to do that. So let me read you the description. This luxurious concentrated serum is a high antioxidant blend of fatty acid oils that will keep your skin hydrated throughout the night all year round. As you apply, breathe in the enchanting notes of ylang ylang, lavender, and orange. I never put orange on my face. I'm not a fan of that. And ease yourself gracefully into a bedtime routine. So it is for the face and neck. I won't be doing that. I will just be using this on my body. So don't love that a $56 product I won't be using in the capacity in which it's meant to be used, but I do like this brand, so at least it will get used. I don't know, kind of conflicted on that one. I think I have failed to mention the price of the other items. So this calming mist was $33. The mask was $7. The face mask is $24. And the last product in the box is from Dr. Botanicals. It's the La Rose Facial Cleansing Bar, and this is a $14.90 value. Awaken to a fresh, hydrated glow with Dr. Botanicals' luxurious La Rose Francaise Facial Cleansing Bar. Infused with antioxidant-rich rose, fatty acid-filled sweet almond oil, and nourishing avocado oil, it deeply conditions, moisturizes, and rejuvenates your skin every day. So, I don't really love the idea of bar soap for my face. It just seems messy. And I appreciate the minimal packaging involved with a bar product, but I don't think I'm going to enjoy this if I'm being completely honest. Like, even if I travel with it, like, this is a big bar, so I'll want to bring it home since I'm obviously not going to use the whole thing traveling. It's very heavily rose scented, but like a really nice, pleasant, natural, realistic rose scent, which is nice. I don't know how I feel about this. I'll give it a try, but I don't think I'm going to like it. I don't even know where to sit it. I don't do bars of soap, so I don't know where I'm even going to place this so it doesn't make a huge mess on my vanity or in the shower, but we'll figure it out. I am going to give it a try. Okay, so we have 3 products I will definitely be using in the capacity in which they are intended. One that I will certainly give a try, but I'm not super excited about. And one where I love the brand, and so I will be using it, but not in the way that it's actually intended for use. So that kind of makes it a little meh, especially since it's the most expensive item in the box. So there's a few highs here and a few lows, but overall I am pretty pleased with this box. I'm going to give it like a B+, A-, somewhere in that range. I'm not mad at it. So, not too bad. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can go to thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button, and otherwise, I will talk to you all later. Bye!